we're coming up to the speed bumps here, and I'm in second gear. I'm gonna brake, clutch in, right at the bump, gonna put it in first, clutch up to bite, just go over the bump, little brake, go to the next bump, gonna brake, clutch in, gonna go to the bump fast enough to go over, little bit of gas with the clutch to the bite point and go over the bump. So now I'm gonna go back around, clutch up to the bite point, little bit of gas. Let's go back to the bump, clutch up to bite, little bit of gas, clutch out. Okay, I'm gonna go make a left over the bump, clutch up to bite. I'm a little on a hill a bit, so hold the clutch at the bite point, go to the bump, clutch in, clutch up to bite, little bit of gas, just enough to get the car over, and I'm holding that clutch, clutch out. Brake at the bump, clutch in, go over, clutch up to bite, a little bit of gas, clutch out, brake, clutch in at the bite point or at the bump, clutch up to bite, little bit of gas, clutch out. Gonna make a left here. Gonna clutch in, check there's no traffic, clutch up to bite, a little bit of gas. Let's go back to the speed bump. Speed bump is on the left. Someone's crossing. I'm just going to put it in neutral and wait. So clutch in, clutch up to bite, a little bit of gas, and we're going to go to that bump. So I get to the bump and I brake, clutch in, clutch up to bite to get me over the bump, smoothly hold the clutch, car's rolling, clutch out. Gonna brake, clutch in. If I can't get over the bump, I don't have enough speed, I'm just gonna clutch up to bite, give a little bit of gas,